The Commission on Elections vows to ensure that the May midterm polls will be clean. That's as it finally deposits the election source codes to the central bank for safekeeping. Joash Malimban reports.
Commission on Elections Chairman George Garcia refuted former President Rodrigo Duterte's concerns about possible vote manipulation in the upcoming 2025 elections. Garcia assured the public that since the country adopted an automated election system in 2010, no form of vote tampering has occurred. He emphasized that the 2025 midterm elections will be a hybrid system, allowing for multiple ways to cross-check and verify election results.
Ginagarantiya po natin sa lahat, sa sambayanan, na imposible po yung dagdag bawas sa isang automated election. Simula pa noong 2010, wala pong napatunayan kahit isang presinto na nagkaroon ng dagdag bawas sapagkat lalong-lalo na po ngayon yung 2025 NLE natin. Madali pong i-verify kung ang boto ay nabilang at ang boto ay na-transmit sapagkat maliban sa magpiprint muna kami ng election returns na ipapaskil sa labas ng presinto, ito po ay pwedeng ma-verify kung tama yung boto na tinatransmit at na-print sapagkat lahat po ng ballot images sa bawat presinto ay ipapakita namin sa lahat ng watchers, sa lahat ng citizens' arm at meron din po tayong random manual audit na gagawin.
Meanwhile, the COMELEC has officially deposited 5 source codes for the automated election system into the vault of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. These source codes include the automated counting machine, the consolidation and canvassing system, the election management system, the secure electronic transmission system, and the online voting and counting system for overseas voters. This move aligns with Republic Act 9369, which ensures the integrity and transparency of Philippine elections. The source codes underwent a trusted build process, including extensive reviews and verification measures. The codes are now securely stored in a BSP vault, protected by metal locks, combination codes, and other security measures. This will remain sealed until the next national elections in 2028. COMELEC also reiterated its commitment to clean and fraud-free elections, stating that they are only awaiting certification from an international certifying body this April to further guarantee the transparency and integrity of the 2025 polls. Joash Malimban, Billionaire News Channel.